precious darkness. Jesus say, there's let to become light. And next, and say, Jesus say, let there's coming with moons, stars, and the sun. And Lord, in the 5th day, Lord say, let there some be fish and birds. And on the 2nd day, Lord said, make there's a pool of swimming pools with the sky. And Lord said, make the plants of the ground. And Lord said the other day, make some animals. And Lord said the other day, make all.
Ang galing naman. Sabi yan ni teacher?
Hindi, nasa
Nasa Bible.